Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S23 FE voicemail notification won't go away. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Then in apps, click on this icon and turn on show system apps. Turn on this button and then click on OK. Now scroll down and here open phone services. Now here scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory. And after that go back and here open phone. Now in phone scroll down and open storage. And here clear the app data and cache memory again. Now after that go to your home screen and swipe down to open control center, and from here restart your mobile.